In this video, I am going to show you how to design a YouTube banner that looks good on all devices. Different people around the globe watch your YouTube videos from different devices. Some may watch your YouTube videos from their mobile phones, others may watch from their tablets, laptops, desktops, or even TV. So you need to design your YouTube banner in a way that it will look good on all these devices. And that is what I'm going to show you in this video. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I am Reed and you're welcome to Grow with Reed. On this channel, I help small creators to grow faster on YouTube with smart growth strategies and hacks. So if you are serious about growing your YouTube channel, smash the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's get started. Open your favorite browser and search for canva.com. Or if you are using your mobile phone, simply download the Canva mobile app on your phone. If you first open Canva for the first time, you might be asked to sign in. Go ahead and sign in. After signing in, you will be brought to the home page, which might look like this. So if you are new to Canva, Canva is actually a site where you can do graphic design. You can actually design all your YouTube thumbnails right here. You can edit YouTube videos, you can create presentations, you can even create websites and many more. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to design a YouTube banner that looks good on all devices here in Canva. So first of all, come to the search bar right here and we are going to search for YouTube banner. So if you scroll down, you're going to find amazing templates that you can actually edit and make them your own. So these are YouTube banner templates that you can actually edit and make them your own. Now if you look, you see that some have a crown button at the bottom right corner, which means that they are on the pro version and you need to upgrade to the pro version or subscribe to the pro version on Canva before you can actually edit these ones. However, there are interesting free ones that you can actually edit and use for free. So this particular video, we're going to learn how to design a YouTube banner from scratch. But before that, you can also actually search for specific templates. Let's say if you have a cooking channel, you can search YouTube banner for a cooking channel. As you can see, we have amazing templates that you can use for your cooking channel. So you see, we have amazing YouTube banner templates here that you can actually edit and make them your own. Like I said before, we're actually going to learn how to design from scratch. So we can go back and let's search for YouTube banner. And then we're going to click on create a blank YouTube banner. As you can see, it has created a blank page for us where we are going to be designing our YouTube banner from scratch. If you look on the side, we have some tools here on the sidebar, and if you click on the design tab, you will find that we have some templates here that you can actually use, and you can search for specific templates right here like I said before. So let's get into it and let's learn how to design our YouTube banner. So first of all, before we can be able to design a YouTube banner that looks good on all devices, we will need a template guide. So create a new tab. So search for YouTube banner template, then click on images and then click on one of these, then simply just right click, then click on save image as, then go ahead and save it to your device. So let's go back and we're going to go to uploads. So click on uploads, then click on upload files and locate the template. I already have one of them here, so I'm going to scroll down and locate the template, then click on it to add it to the page. All right, so let's drag it here like this and resize it to cover the entire page. Okay, so as you can see, when someone visits your channel, like I said before, people watch YouTube from different devices. Some watch from TV, tablet, desktop and mobile phone. When someone visits your channel and they are watching from a TV, they are going to see all of this part of your YouTube banner. They're going to see all of this part. When they are watching from a desktop, they are going to see your banner from this side to this side. As you can see here, it says desktop. So from this portion to this portion, like this. And then when they are watching from tablet, they're going to see from this portion to this portion. And when they are watching from their mobile phone, they're going to see from this portion to this portion. So this portion is what is called the safest area, because anyone watching from TV, desktop, tablet are going to see here, and most people also use their mobile phone, and so they are going to be watching your channel and see your channel from their mobile phones. So your main text and your main images must lie in the safest area, this portion. Okay, so let's start designing. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to elements, and we're going to add a rectangle shape. So click on it, and you're going to resize it like this. So click on the color here and set the color of your choice. So we're just going to use any color. Let's use the dark gray color. Okay, so let's click on the more options here, and we're going to go to layer, then we're going to send it backward so that we can actually see the template and know where our lines lie. So let's select the template, go to transparency, and drag it down a bit like this, so we can see our rectangle and still see the guides or the lines. All right, so this is the mobile, this is the tablet, and this is the desktop and TV right here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to add our image. So go to uploads, then click on upload files, then locate your image. For me, I'm just going to use this image right here, so I'll click on it, and let's resize it and place it somewhere nicely. I'm going to place it somewhere here in the mobile or the surface area like this. Next, we're going to add some text. So let's go to text, then click on add a heading, and we're going to just write our tagline. So write your tagline. I'm going to say grow fast, create smart. Next, we're going to change the font style. So click on font style right here, and I like to use Montserrat. So I'm going to give it Montserrat, and let's decrease the font size. I'll just click here and drag like this to reduce the font size and place it somewhere nicely here. Let me decrease, place it somewhere here. And next, I'm going to add a background effect to it. So go to see more. I'm going to click on effects and choose a background option, and then come down. We're going to change the background color. I'm going to give it a yellow color, and then we're going to play around with these options. Decrease the roundness. I think this is okay. For the text, I'm going to select this portion, and I'll give it a black color. So click on text color right here and choose black. Okay, this is looking good. So next, we're going to click on add a subheading. We are simply going to write the things we do on our channel. I'm going to say YouTube growth tips, and I'll just say mobile tools. Let's decrease it and place it somewhere here. So go to font style, and we're going to make it Montserrat. This time around I'll choose bold. Okay, so let's position it nicely somewhere here. Let's duplicate, click on duplicate right here, bring it down here, and we're going to edit it. We're going to say new videos every week, and we're going to bring it somewhere here. Let's decrease the font size and bring it somewhere here. Let's duplicate this too as well. Click here, bring it somewhere here, and let's edit it. We're going to write our channel name. So for this one, we're going to change the text color, so you can give it a yellow color nicely. Next, if your image is not looking good, you can actually adjust it. So click on it, then click on edit, then come to adjust. So you can do manual adjustments, or you can simply click on auto adjust, and you can reduce the intensity if you like this. And if you want, you can also do some more manual adjustments: brightness, contrast, highlights. Just feel free to explore all of these options: sharpness, clarity, vignette. Just feel free to explore all of these adjustment tools. Okay, so we're going to go back. So as you can see, all of our main text and image falls under the surface area or the mobile version area, as you can see. So this is how you're supposed to design your YouTube banner. As you can see, this is looking good already, but if you want to add some more, especially to those who are going to watch your channel from their desktop, you can put some things here if you like. You can add a subscribe button or whatever. Simply just go to elements and search for subscribe button, or just say subscribe, and let's go to see all for the graphics, and then I'm going to choose this one. So talking about subscribe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe right now and join the amazing family. So let's go ahead, and we're going to resize it like this and place it somewhere here nicely like this. If you like, you can add some more elements. You can add another element right here. So if your channel is about tech, you can come here and search for tech elements. If it's about cooking or beauty or whatever, simply come here and search for something related to your channel, and you can place it somewhere here. Or you can even add some here at the TV side. Then for me, I just leave it like this. If you like, you can actually design here for those who are going to see your channel from their TVs. Once you are satisfied with the design, delete the template guide. So select it, then click on delete right here, then go ahead and save your design. So go to share here, then click on download at the bottom, click on download right here, then click on download again right here. So if you found value in this video, give it a like, drop a comment down below, share to your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.